You just found the 2019 Hyundai Veloster. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a surprisingly affordable Veloster that delivers free-thinking style, solid craftsmanship, and desirable safety and infotainment features. Convenient and efficient, its playful spirit shines through on every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, heated mirrors, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor. Don't miss the chance to drive this joyful Veloster. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.